Hello students, we are doing chapter number 19 coordinate geometry exercise 19.3. In previous video till question number 6 we have done, and today we are starting from question number 7. Use graph paper to solve this. Take 2 cm is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Draw the graph of x plus y plus 3 equal to 0 and 5x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Write down the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line. Measure and record the distance of the point of intersection from the origin in centimeter. So first, for both the lines we will take three plotting points. So first equation we have x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. X and 3 I have shifted on another side, and accordingly 3 points for plotting I have taken. Same thing I have done for the second equation also. 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. So I got 2y equal to 3x plus 4. Y equal to 3x plus 4 by 2. Then x value I have taken minus 2. For that y is coming minus 1. When x is 0, y is coming 2. And when x is 2, y is coming 5. So 3 points from both the line I have taken. Now we will plot these points on the graph paper. Scale I have taken according to the question, 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So first point we have 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3 minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 2. This is our first point, minus 1 comma minus 2. Second point, 0 comma minus 3. So this is second point, 0 comma minus 3, and third we have 1 comma minus 4. So 1 comma minus 4 will be down. This is our third point, 1 comma minus 4. Now these 3 points we have to join. White double lines in graph. So this is our first representation for the line x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Now for the second line we will plot the points. First point we have minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. This is the first point. Then second point we have 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. This is second point. And third point we have 2 comma 5. So 2 from here and 5 on the y-axis. This is 2 comma 5. Now these 3 points we will join together. This is for 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. So you can see both the lines are intersecting each other at point minus 2, minus 1. So this is solution for these two lines. So we are getting here x value we are getting minus 2 and y value we are getting minus 1. Next we have question number 8. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus y plus 2. So first we will take first two equation and then we'll frame one equation with the help of this. So we are getting here 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 1, and 3 plotting points we will take for this equation. For the second equation we will take last two, and with the help of this we will get another equation, y is equal to minus x plus 1, and again 3 plotting points we will take for this equation. Now these points we will plot on the graph sheet. So we will take graph and mark x-axis and y-axis. First point, for the first line we have minus 1 comma 1. minus 1 comma 1. This is first point. Second point we have 2 comma minus 1. This is our second point. Then third point 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. Now these 3 points will join. And this is for 3y equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now for the second line, first point we have minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. Second point we have 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. And third point we have 1 comma 0. So join these 3 points and extend this line. This is for y equal to minus x plus 1. Now you can see both the lines are intersecting at this point. So this is the solution for these two equations. So solution is x value is coming 2, y value is coming minus 1. So here we are getting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Next, ninth question, use graph for this question. Draw the graph of 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Write down the coordinates of the point of intersection and find the area of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. So first, for both the line, 3 plotting points we will take. For the first line, I have taken 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, and for the second line 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 0. So first we will plot these points on the graph sheet. So take graph sheet, draw x-axis and y-axis. First point we have 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2. Second point we have 1 comma 1. Then third point we have 2 comma 4. This is for 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now for the second line, first point we have 2 comma 4. So this is the first point. Second 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Third we have 4 comma 0. And these next 3 points also we have to join. So this is for the next equation, 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So we have here point of intersection is 2 comma 4. So value of x and y we are getting here, x is 2 and y is 4. Second thing, we have to find out the area of triangle formed by these two lines and x-axis. So area of triangle we will use formula half base into height. So we will check here what is the base for this triangle. Base you can see it is coming 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is 0.4. So 3.4. And height you can measure here, perpendicular distance it is coming 4 unit. So base is 3.4, height is 4 unit. So we can substitute in formula half into 3.4 and height is 4. Cancel out 6.8 square unit. Next, question number 10. Solve the following system of linear equation graphically. 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So first find out 3 plotting points for both the equations. So for this first equation I have taken 0 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 0. Substitute x values here and accordingly y value you will get. Same thing you have to do for the second equation also. Substitute x any 3 values and accordingly y 3 values you will get. So these are the next 3 plotting points. Now these points we will plot on the graph sheet. So on graph you have to mark x-axis and y-axis. First point we have 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. This is the first point. Second point we have 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. And third point we have 2 comma 0. Join these 3 points. This is for 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. For the second equation, first point we have 0 comma minus 1. Second point we have 1 comma minus 2. This is the second point. And third point 2 comma minus 3. This is for x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here intersection points we are getting 1 comma minus 2. X value is 1 and y value is minus 2. Then we have to find out area of triangle formed by these line and the y-axis. It means this is y-axis, this triangle area we have to find out. So for this triangle, base is 1, 2, 3 unit and height is 1 unit here to here. So base is 3 and height is 1. So same formula we will use, half base into height, half 3 into 1. So 3 by 2 square unit we are getting here. Next question number 11, solve graphically, and we have to take here scale as 2 cm equal to 1 unit on each axis. If scale is given in the question, you have to follow the same scale. Otherwise scale you can take as per your wish. So first equation we have x plus 2y equal to 4. So y is equal to minus x plus 4 by 2 and 3 plotting points we will take here. For second equation we have 3x minus 2y equal to 4. So we are getting y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. Again 3 points we will take here for plotting. Now these points we will plot on the graph sheet. So here graph I have taken 2 cm equal to 1 unit. So first point we have 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2, this is the first point. Second point we have 2 comma 1. And third point we have 4 comma 0. Join all the 3 points. Remember all these points always it will come on straight line. So if your points are not coming on the straight line means you have done somewhere mistake. Recheck it. For the second equation, first point we have 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. This is the first point. Then we have 2 comma 1. This is second point. And 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. Next point is 4 comma 4. Join these 3 points. And this is for 3x minus 2y equal to 4. And in this question also you have to find out the first point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection where these two lines are intersecting. 2 comma 1, x value is 2 and y value is 1. Then we have to find out the area of triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So x-axis means this triangle area we have to find out. So we will use here half base into height formula. Half base you can see here. If I will start from here, 1 unit, 2 unit, and 2 point after it is nearly 7, 2.7. So base is coming 2.7 and height is 1 unit. So 2.7 by 2, or we can write 1.35 square unit. You can find out in fraction also, or you can leave in decimal also. Next we have question number 12 on the graph. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Draw the line x plus 3 equal to 0, y minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 3, y equal to 12. So for the first line we are getting x is equal to minus 3. It means for every value of y, always x value will be minus 3. We have to draw a line parallel to y-axis through x is equal to minus 3. Now same way for the second line we are getting y is equal to 2. It means through y equal to 2 we have to draw a parallel line to x-axis. And for the third equation we will find out 3 plotting points. So I have taken y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. First point I am getting when x is 0, y value I am getting 4. So first point is 0, 4. When I have taken x is 1, y I am getting 3.3. And when I have taken x is 3, y I am getting 2. So these are the 3 plotting points for the last equation. Now all these 3 equations we will plot. Graph I have taken according to the question. 2 block is 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So first we have to draw line through x is equal to minus 3. So through here parallel to y-axis one line we will draw. This is the line for x is equal to minus 3. Second we have to draw through y equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 is this point. So one more line we have to draw through this point. So this line is for y equal to 2. Now for the third equation, 3 plotting points. First point we have 0, 4. 0, 4. This is the first point. Second point we have 1, 3.3. 1, 3.3. So here it is 3.5. So here it will be 3.3. 1, 3.3. And third point 3, 2. 3, 2. This is the third point. Now we'll join these 3 points and we will extend this line. So this third line is for 2x plus 3y equal to 12. All the 3 intersecting points we have to write. So first intersecting point is this minus 3, 6. Second intersecting point is this minus 3, 2. And third intersecting point is 3, 2. Next we have question number 13. Find graphically the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by the line y equal to 2, y is equal to x and 2x plus 3y equal to 10. So y equal to 0 means x-axis. So this first line is x-axis only. Y equal to x, for these 3 plotting points we have taken. So x and y are equal. So whatever x value, same value we will get for y. For the third equation 2x plus 3y equal to 10, we will find out 3 plotting points. So when I have taken x is 0, y I am getting 3.3. When x is 1, y I am getting 2.6. And when x is 2, y I am getting 2. So first we will plot these 3 equations on graph. So first is y equal to 0 means x-axis. For the second line I have taken when x is 0 y is also 0. This is the first point. When x is 1 y is also 1. This is second point. X is 2 y is also 2. This is third point for the second line. This is for y equal to x. Now for the third line, first point we have 0, 3.3. 0, 3.3. So after 3 small 3 blocks you have to take. Then second we have 1, 2.6. 1, 2.6. This is the second point. Third point we have 2, 2. This is the third point. So join these 3 points. This is for 2x plus 3y equal to 10. We have to write the point of intersection. So first point of intersection is this 0, 0. Second one is 2, 2 and third one is 5, 0. So first point of intersection is 0, 0. Second one is 2, 2 and third one is 5, 0. Then we have to find out the area of triangle formed by these 3 lines. So from these 3 lines, first line is this one, x-axis, second is this one and third is this one. Means this triangle area we have to find out. For this triangle, base is 5, height is 2. Always take the perpendicular height. So base is 5, height is 2. We will substitute value in the formula, half base into height. Half base is 5 and height is 2. 2 we can cancel out. So 5 square unit. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Practice yourself also. Thank you for watching this video.